In this video, we will look at complex numbers. So first, complex numbers. The standard form of complex numbers is a plus bi. So where a and b is a constant and I is the imaginary part. What is I? I is equals to square root of negative 1. So I squared is equals to negative 1. I is equals to square root of negative 1. So if I is equals to square root of negative 1, I squared. So let's say I squared is equals to square root of negative 1 power of 2. So therefore, I squared is equals to square root of negative 1 power of 2. We can cancel out square root and the power of 2. Therefore, what we have here is negative 1. So this is very important. You have to remember that I squared is equals to negative 1. So let's look at one example. Express 1 minus 2i times 3 plus 4i in standard form a plus bi. Means that we wish to transform this one into standard form a plus bi. So what we have to do is first we try to expand. So means that let's say 1 times 3, I should have 3. 1 times positive 41 plus 4i. 1 times 3, 1 times 4i. So here is 4i. Negative 2i times 3, negative 6i. And then negative 2i times positive 4i. Here will become negative 8i squared. So next, we try to simplify. 3 plus 4i minus 6i is, 4i minus 6i is negative 2i minus 8. So remember that our I squared is equals to negative 1. So I squared, I change to negative 1. So you have to remember that I squared is equals to, negative 1. So from here, 3 minus 2i, negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8. So finally, 3 plus 8 will become 11 minus 2i. So here is our standard form a plus bi. Only now the value of b is negative 2. So here can be positive or can be negative.